Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on refrigerator, commonly known as fridge. Fridge is a commercial and home appliance. It is a thermal insulated compartment and heat pump, which is mechanical, electronic, or chemical. It transfer heats from its side to the external environment. According to United States of America, the requirement for the normal refrigerator is at or around or below 4 degree, and that of freezer is minus 18 degree. According to Food and Drug Administration of USA. There are altogether 4 components in refrigerator: compressor, condenser, expansion device, which is capillary tube in refrigerator, and evaporator space to be cooled is called evaporator. Freon 12 is used in refrigerator. Freon 12 is compressed in the compressor from lower to higher temperature and pressure. The condenser, which dissipates heat to the outside environment, which gets throttled in the capillary tube and finally into evaporator, which rejects heat from the space and eventually cools the compartment of refrigerator. There are various brands available. The best quality is LG, Bosch, Panasonic, Samsung, Godrej, etc. It comes in various volumes: 165 liters, to 190 liters. Please like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you. इसमें बने लाइट बंद कर दीजिए.